Rats are a massive household nuisance, and getting rid of them usually involves a difficult choice. Traditional commercial poisons do the job, but they introduce highly hazardous chemicals into your home, creating a real danger if you have curious children or pets wandering around. But what if you didn't need toxic chemicals at all? What if a highly effective, completely poison-free pest control solution was already sitting on your pantry shelf? The answer lies in combining a standard box of baking soda with a sweet pantry staple, like dry cornbread mix. These basic ingredients work because of a bizarre anatomical quirk. Physically, rats cannot burp and they cannot vomit. By hacking the specific physiological flaw, everyday baking ingredients become a targeted, highly lethal trap, entirely bypassing the need to bring toxic chemicals into your living space. The active lethal agent in this home remedy is sodium bicarbonate, the primary component of everyday baking soda. When ingested baking soda hits the highly acidic gastric juices inside the rat's stomach, the two violently react, releasing massive amounts of carbon dioxide. Because the rat cannot expel this gas, the CO2 builds, creating severe internal pressure that leads to fatal organ stress. This method turns the rat's own digestive process into a localized, explosive reaction. You eliminate the pest entirely through basic chemistry. The main challenge here is ingestion. To work, the rat has to consume a massive, concentrated dose of baking soda without detecting its highly bitter taste at all. The baseline recipe requires a strict 1-to-1 ratio of baking soda to a dry masking agent, like cornbread mix. Precision is critical. Too little baking soda, and the mixture is non-lethal. Too much, and the rat detects the bitterness and rejects the bait. To guarantee the rat actually gorges on the bait, you need to add high-value, high-fat, or high-sugar attractants. Ingredients like powdered sugar or hot cocoa mix work exceptionally well because rats are naturally drawn to sweet, grain-based scents. Peanut butter is the optimal additive here. It powerfully masks the scent and binds those dry powders into an easily consumable paste. This precise formulation acts as a biological Trojan horse. It tricks the rat into treating a deadly chemical payload as an irresistible, high-calorie meal. Rats are naturally neophobic. They experience instinctual terror toward any new object or change in their environment. To bypass this phobia, you have to use a strategy called pre-baiting. This means placing small piles of plain, non-lethal peanut butter in the area for the first 2 nights to establish it as a safe food source. Only after the rats trust that plain bait and consistently eat it should you swap it out for the lethal baking soda mixture. Rats have terrible eyesight, so they navigate by keeping their bodies physically pressed against walls. You can exploit this by placing the bait stations directly along their active runways, like along baseboards or behind appliances. Understanding and manipulating rodent psychology is just as critical as the chemical recipe. If you don't neutralize the rat's natural neophobia first, the trap will fail. This entire strategy hinges on one strict environmental variable. You have to remove all competing food sources. That requires locking up pet food in airtight containers, securing garbage cans, and sweeping up stray crumbs, so your DIY bait is the absolute only option available to them. The bait also has a distinct chemical vulnerability. Any exposure to ambient moisture or water will prematurely activate the baking soda, completely neutralizing its lethality before the rat even takes a bite. Keep the bait dry and replace it every few days. Finally, while this mixture is free of commercial poisons, it is still hazardous if misused. Ingesting a massive quantity of baking soda can cause severe electrolyte imbalances in cats and dogs, so it must always be kept well out of their reach. Through disciplined environmental control and the clever exploitation of basic rodent anatomy, you can safely and effectively reclaim your home using nothing more than simple kitchen staples.